Here is a Vornado 630B air circulator. This is a great find. I only paid $12 for this. This is one of the older models from the mid-2000s or so, and it still uses a very good quality motor. This would have originally cost $59.99 at line ends and things, whatever that is. So the box is certainly more elaborate than the ones they sell today. This has got a glare on it. There we go. You can pause the recording at any time and look at these images. Oh dear. Ah! Oh jeez. Anyways, excuse me. So that's the box. Let's take the unit out. Nice. Here is the manual, which is in some crazy folding format that I'm not even going to attempt to open. And here is the unit itself. It's old enough to not have that doggone fuse plug. And it's actually not too bad for a 10-year-old fan as far as dirt goes. There looks to be some dog hair accumulation back here. And this is actually really bad because when this all blocks up here, there's no air going through the motor, and it's just going to run too hot and fail. But that's easy enough to clean up. So, it feels a lot sturdier than the newer one I have that's similar to this, the 633 I think it is. You know, this just moves, glides effortlessly, and it's consistent, and you know, the bass is really strong. It's a really good quality feel to it. You got rubber feet on the bottom, which are still soft. Unfortunately, this is made in China, and this has type 630 as the model number, manufactured in 2006. So I would guess this was probably purchased in the summer of 2007. So it's about 12 years old. And does this have toolless disassembling? Yes, it does. Well, we'll not get into that this video, but just so you can see the motor in there, that's the good motor. I believe that actually is the ball bearing motor. That's from before they kind of cheapened out the motors a little bit. Because the motor in the newer ones, like the 633 for instance, the motor is kind of chintzy. And the bearings don't have the greatest reputation. But this is much better. So let's go ahead and plug this up here. And start off on low. Very quiet on low, slowly getting up to speed. It's pushing a nice gentle breeze. Maybe in the angle of the camera, I don't want to have wind noise in the video. Alright, so that's working. It's running well. certainly fair to be, cleaned. It's not moving a lot of air because there's all dust in the back and everything, but still not a bad breeze considering how much dust is on the rear guard. Alright, let's go up to 2. Bearings are actually kind of audible on this. It's the same way on my 745. I guess their bearings, the ball bearings are just kind of noisy in these, I don't know. Moving a good breeze now. And it's still relatively quiet. And let's go to full power. Yeah, it's moving a lot of air. Especially for how dirty it is. Of course, we can adjust the tilt. It does shake a fair bit. And we'll cut it off. Spin down time. So the bearings, I think, could fare to be serviced. They don't seem to be gliding all that effortlessly, which would explain why it starts so slowly on low. Well, anyways, that works. Excuse me, I gotta go to sleep. Yeah, that's something to work with. We'll get it cleaned up and should be a good fan to use.